Welcome guys to Omar's Garage and Omar's channel. Once again tunawakaribisha sana. Kwa siku mingi tumekuwa tujawapatia videos moto moto, but now we have kitu moto kama pasi hapa. Unaona hapa tuko na mnyama mbaya ameingia mtaani. So this we've done a Hamann kit. Hii gari it's very amazing. As you can see, gari it looks like it just came from space. Hapa imevaa 22. This is the natural habitat ya hii gari 22 size So wale watu wanatembea na namba 15 wanafikiria uko na mguu kubwa, hapa kuna 22 guys. That's why you call unaita BMW. So anyway, as you can see, Hamann kit include this. This is the trims. Unaona venye inakuja, very beautiful. This is a carbon piece. This is what you can see here is carbon. Yeah. So this is carbon all the way, this is carbon fiber all the way, this is carbon fiber all the way. As you may see, inakuja na angel lights. These are the guys who started angel lights. Yani hao ndio walianzisha hii in the game. So angel lights imeanzishwa na watu wa BMW, then all the other companies zika copy. So you can see the side mirrors look premium. Side step look like, you know, it's really amazing. So as you can notice hapa, hii ni Hamann kit. So that's the Hamann kit. Unaona inakuja na diffuser pale, inakuja hapa hivi. This is a full diffuser. Yeah. Kule on the side, all the way behind. As you approach the back side, unaweza notice kuna spoiler. Something really distinctive, something really beautiful. This is a spoiler. Very beautiful spoiler, as you can see. Iko na nyingine pia hapa. This is all addition to the Hamann kit. So in addition to the Hamann kit, kuna hii pia. So you see hata inakuja na custom exhaust. This is a Hamann exhaust. Even with the logos, you can see Hamann with the logo. So that's how it comes like. Na diffuser ya chini. You may notice hapa hivi kuna mesh pia pale. So when you hear Hamann Motorsports GmbH, it means the body kit. This is the official company. Yani hii gari it is officially, it was made, it's like kama kusema Mercedes wasema Bribus. That's the Bribus, you know, it's an extension of the normal Mercedes. So this car is very special guys. So let me give you a tour of the car. Tuingie ndani pia. So as you may notice ndani pia it's premium. So as you may notice ndani pia ni premium. Something really whatever. Iko na quick shifters. As you can see the quick shifters here. Something really amazing. Yeah, so we're just gonna take a drive with it. Musikie venye iko. It's got the sunroof pale. Really amazing sunroof pale, roof liner. So really something amazing. So I think you can get in and take a small ride. This car is really amazing from the bottom up. So even when you put it into drive, you feel like umeweka mnyama. It adjusts the side mirrors automatically. Naona. It sounds like you are into something really solid. The gari is solid. You know, you feel like you're actually driving a spaceship from the movies. Yeah, so as you can see, the car is really fitting. Ukikalia, you feel like the comfort, creature comfort ziko, the seats are really whatever. The adjustments ziko pale zote. You know, everything you may look for in a car, you get. So as you may notice, Omar Garage, we like the good things. As you can see here, we have a very beautiful Chrysler, this Bentley baby, you know, the mnyama mwenyewe. Yeah, kama kawaida. Yeah, so we're just gonna take a small drive and we will be able to showcase our cars. Yeah. So as you can see, the car can really drive. So the car is really giving you a good pick. You feel uko na comfort when you're driving. You don't feel like you're struggling to drive the car. the car literally drives itself. Hata unaona nimeachilia mikono hapa na you feel like the car is just driving itself, you know, like you don't feel like una struggle. It's the BMW made this car in such a manner that you feel like the car is really really easy to drive. Ni kama gari ya mtoto. You know, you can give your son, mwambie weenda nayo supermarket na hajawahi drive, na eventually atafika one way or the other, unaona. But you need I'm not advising to do that, but I'm just saying it's a very easy car to drive, guys. So mumeona iko na all the creature comforts, iko na sunroof, iko na all the nice features unaweza taka. Unaweza weka creature controls, I mean kama like you can control the radio from your steering, unaona. You can navigate, you can you know, do some few things on it that you usually don't get on other cars. So as you may see, hii gari ni kitu mrembo bana. Yani mwenye alitengeneza hii gari, he made it in such a manner that mwenye atakuwa na hii gari he'll appreciate and enjoy each and every bit of this car. So I really like what they've done with the car. I really like what they've done with the car, and I think with with a good budget, you can get yourself something really really amazing. Yeah. So tunaenda tukikutana na marafiki zetu kila mahali. Our fans, you know, and our customers. Anyway, guys, I want to say that if you're looking to buy a BMW, guys, hii ni gari. You know, like haufeel ni kama ile unaendesha gari unasikia uoga ya Toyota. No, this car is very very stable, very very powerful. The power is good, the car feels comfort, it gives you confidence ukiendesha kwa barabara. You feel like you're not straining, you know. It's generally a very very amazing car. So it's a very good car. Hapa kwa hii barabara yetu tumewekewa a two way, which people hawajajua bado hii barabara ni two way. But I mean, I guess what I learned pole pole too. From 0 to 100 to 120, very very easy. Very very easy to get on that speed. It's very very easy to pick like the car accelerate with ease. Usikie ni kama ina struggle kupata hiyo power to lift itself. It's very very easy to drive, very very amazing. It has a very very good feeling, and I would recommend anyone who wants to buy this car na nimfanyie this kind of kit. You know where to go, guys. Ndio hiyo garage where the magic happens, Omar's garage, where we do the magic and where we do like custom fittings, custom everything. Leo tuko na Raptor ingine inaingia, tuko na hii Land Cruiser iko hapo, kuna hiyo Bentley, baby Bentley iko pale, kuna ma classics ziko pale, kuna ma Lambo door fittings. You know, we do everything at all under one roof, guys. So anyone who wants to come through, you're most welcome to come and give us a visit. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, Omar's Garage, pale Ruiru, next to Zitech University. We have a new location coming up really soon, up in town, Nairobi town. And you'll be really, really amazed at what we can do at the other side as well. Here, you can take my number, which is 0700088088. 0700088088. Again, subscribe to Omar's Garage, YouTube. Tuko YouTube, tuko Facebook, tuko Twitter, tuko, I think we are in all the platforms, guys. So hawezi sema ati sikuwaona, ati sijawapata. Tuko kila mahali, guys. Feel free to come and give us a visit kwa ofisi pia pale. Tunaweza discuss project yako, tuone what you want done on your car. Which customs do you like to do? What would you like to see on your next custom, or on your future custom, ama on your current car? Hakuna gari mbaya. Gari mbaya ni mwenyewe, sio gari. Gari hakuna gari mbaya. Sisi tuko na gari za 1950 hapa bado zina run vizuri. So hakuna gari mbaya. Gari mbaya ni nani? Mwenyewe, guys. So as you may notice, tunapenda kuambia watu tunawapenda nyinyi wote na tunataka mkuje mtu visit na muendelee kuwa na Omar's family. So we appreciate all the guys mwenye mnakuwa to support all the guys wenye wamesubscribe, wale wenye hawajasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button, the like button and comment guys. Thank you very much. My number is 0700 088 088 0700 088 088. Okay, karibuni sana guys.